Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life 2 on its original engine. Many players seek out the game's initial release version for its unique physics and visual style. The game received several engine updates over time, altering aspects like movement and graphical rendering. To truly experience the game as it was first released, you need to access these earlier engine iterations, which differ significantly from the version currently available on Steam. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps. First, you can explore Steam's official Steam Legacy Beta branch. This option provides an archived build of Half-Life 2 from before its 20th anniversary update. While it offers an older official experience, it might not perfectly match the very first source engine versions from the game's initial launch. To enable it, right-click Half-Life 2 in your Steam library, select Properties, navigate to the Betas tab, and choose Steam Legacy from the drop-down menu. This is a good starting point for a slightly older feel. For the most authentic original engine experience, community-made standalone builds or source engine modifications are often the only way. These projects meticulously recreate the game using the source engine from 2004 or 2006, preserving original physics and glitches. You will typically download these community files, extract them, and place them into your Steam Source Mods directory. Remember to install Source SDK Base 2006, found in your Steam Tools library, as it is often a necessary dependency for these mods to function correctly. Once you have an older engine version running, optimize your experience by adjusting in-game settings. Navigate to the video options and set graphical details to lower levels, similar to how they were configured on hardware from 2 decades ago. Disabling high dynamic range lighting can also help achieve a more classic visual aesthetic. You can further fine-tune your experience using console commands, such as setting your field of view to approximately 90 degrees, which was common in earlier versions. Experiment to find the perfect balance for your nostalgic playthrough.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.